How to remove lens on Snapchat. For today, we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to remove lens on Snapchat. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store here and just type in Snapchat. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Snapchat application is updated. And if your application is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So you may want to go back to your homepage and open the Snapchat application here. And basically, it will lead you here to your camera. So to be able to remove the lens on Snapchat, on the bottom part, you will see a smiley face there. You click on that, and here you will see all the different lenses that the Snapchat actually provide. Now, let's say you have to choose one lens there. Let's say your lenses are already full, so you may want to make some space for that. And all you have to do is to pick the lens that you want to remove. Now, let's say I want to pick this lens. And on the upper left, you will see the information icon, the eye icon below your profile or your face icon. Now, if you click on that, you will have the information for that lens. Now you will see report, remove lens, view lens page, view profile more lenses, and export lens. Now, there are countries who do not have remove lens yet, so you may want to click on report and just basically uh report that lens, what you want to do with that lens. Let's say you want to remove that lens so that the Snapchat community will know about it. And here on the remove lens, we have the remove lens. All you have to do is to click on remove lens, and then it will say this will remove the lens from your carousel. Then confirm, just click on remove, and basically that lens is already removed to your profile. So basically that is how you remove lens on Snapchat. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.